Like a fucking 10-second video. Get close. Get close.
But not that. I'm gonna hit that shit with
Well,
the
he got
stick.
pants on, so if he gets bit.
No, it will still hurt because, hey.
Oh, big sticks. Oh.
Hey, how do you stop this? Hello?
Huh?
How do you stop this? It's 16. How do you stop it? It says 16. How do you stop
Nah, just keep it going. Keep it going. We can cut it.
it? Isaac, stop. He's striking. Stop.
Hold on.
Strike, bro. I'll be running though.
Hold on.
I'm gonna jack the fuck. Why you doing that? So
Don't bring him towards my way. Get him towards your way, because I'm filming.
I'm good. There we go. You video camera?
Can you hurry up, please? Because my arm's getting tired.
Want to see it strike.
It's striking. There it goes.
No, move. Hit video camera.
I'm videoing it. Get him. You got him?
Yeah. I got him. Go pick him up.
what?
All right, hey,
Pick it up
Isaiah.
by the head.
Isaiah, pick it up.
Like you mean like right there?
Isaiah, hey, let's get down and close. Hey, don't pick it up. You act like you're picking him up. Just act like you.
Yeah.
Let's act like you're picking him up. We got him. Get
By
him.
the body?
Don't pick. Just pick up his tail. That's it.
It's video recording.
I'm recording it, so pick it up.
Pick it up with your hand.
We got him.
The tail might be poisonous.
The tail ain't
This
poisonous.
ain't got nothing poisonous.
Oh fuck.
Pick that shit up. Stop being a
I
little
got the
bitch.
head, nigga.
Now show it to me.
Fuck. This
Oh shit! Isaiah, jump! You kick the goddamn snake. It ain't do nothing to you.
keep moving.
Look at it going.
Keep moving.
Look at it going.
Look at it go.
Get it. Get it. Oh. Press down.
Bash his head in now.
No.
Bash his head in. Get on. Get in that shit.
Come on, Isaac. Get up. His head is right there.
Oh, video camera. Video camera.
Video recorder. Video recorder.
Isaiah, stop.
I got his body.
Oh, he's moving now. Oops, sorry, Isaiah.
Wait, hey, get him towards the lake.
Get his head. Get his head.
Oh shit, that shit got his mouth open.
Cause y'all pissing him off.
Get that shit. Press.
Okay, now touch the back of the body. I got his head down. I got his head down.
Let's touch it real quick and we'll stop.
No, stop touching it. No, then touch it. Hold it.
I need you to pick him up so we can get evidence. Now hold on. Like, get in there, pick it up. I'm not close. I'll pick him up.
Oh fuck. Yeah. Really?
Now how do you stop? How do you stop this now?
Okay, so you got all that on video.
How do you stop it? Because see, look.